Hey guys, it's your girl Keri, and we're back. I'm cooking in my pajamas, and my husband is now going to teach me how to make his famous shrimp and Gouda grits. And if you're wondering, I'm in the same pajamas because this is the same night. For those of you who haven't seen, my husband teaches me how to cook his famous mac and cheese. I'll leave that link in the description box below. So let's get started, honey, on this shrimp and Gouda grits. So we'll start with the ingredients. First, you're going to need 4 packages. Are you zooming in?
Okay.
So they can see what we're
Hold
getting.
on, I'm new here.
So our audience can see. It's going to be 4 packages of these Johnsonville Cajun style chicken sausage.
And that's important.
Why is it important?
Because so many people don't eat pork anymore. I love pork, but this, whatever, that chicken sausage is wonderful.
Tastes good. Yeah, it really does taste good. You're not going to, it's universal, I guess. Then you're going to need is this a pound? I'll
2 pounds.
insert a clip of what the packaging looks like. We opened up the packaging last night before filming, but it's 2 pounds of shrimp.
It's 2 pounds of shrimp. If you're making shrimp and grits in one day, you're not making shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits takes 2 days of preparation.
2 days.
So you need 2 days.
Okay.
You need 1 day to season.
Okay, well that brings us to the seasoning.
This is a secret.
Now he seasons his shrimp with this Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. So he takes the shrimp out and pours this all over the shrimp and let it sit overnight, right?
Overnight, yes.
Overnight? Okay.
I don't just sprinkle it, I do it lovingly.
Okay,
a massage.
He lovingly massages his shrimp, and this is what you end up with: nice seasoned shrimp.
A generous portion.
And what else? What is this? All-purpose backyard.
Yes, Cajun seasoning.
Okay. Oops. Backyard Cajun seasoning. Then we have just 2% milk, but you can use whole milk, skim milk. Can you use skim milk though?
No, no skim milk.
Okay, 2% or higher?
2% or higher. I prefer whole milk, but I'm on a diet.
Okay. You don't eat shrimp because on a diet, but
I do.
Anyway, then you're going to need grits. This is just your regular white grits. But today, honey says he's going to mix it up and combine it with yellow grits. So he's going to do a yellow and white grit mix, right?
Yes, I'm trying to bring the country together by mixing the...
Okay, you're trying to bring the country together. What?
I'm making grits great again.
You're making making grits great?
I'm making grits great again.
Okay. Well, honey is making grits great. Okay. Then we have our cheese. This is 1.5 pounds of cheese. And this is the leftover cheese from the mac and cheese that we just made. This side is the smoked Gouda, and this is the other half of the champagne cheddar cheese. So, what do we do now? Do I just chop up the cheese the same way I did the macaroni?
No, the first step is to chop up the sausage.
Okay, first
we have to get the sausage cooking. I'm going to chop up the sausage very thin.
So, do I cut them in little round circles?
No, half circles.
Half circles, okay.
Yes. People like to have a bite of meat in every single bite, every single scoop.
How much do you think this meal cost? Is this a cost-effective or this is an expensive meal?
Let's not talk about prices. But this is I'll tell you. All right. The sausage costs $3.69 a pack. So that's big $12 in sausage. The cheese.
Well, we did half of the cheese, so
yes.
If you combine it together, it's about $7.
$7 in cheese. Grits is basically free, and then milk. It's not that expensive. I don't add any butter. You're not gonna be able to. Don't open all the package.
Oh.
Just start slicing.
Okay, I'm just saying. I'm trying to.
I'll get you a bowl so you can slice it and put it in a bowl.
Okay.
No, stop. Lengthwise. No. Turn it on its back a little bit, like that, and then go straight down the middle.
I need a small one. So like surgery.
This is painful to watch.
What?
This is obviously why you're just very Keri, not cooking with Keri.
What? I'm slicing.
You have to
it.
slice it. You're not chopping it.
I
Oh no, keep it together. Now fold it to the side. No,
slice
yeah, you can do it like that if you like, honey.
So little pieces like that.
Yeah, yeah, but you want to cut them all the way through next time. So
I didn't cut the.
you're fine. Yeah. Then you fold it back on top of each
Yes,
other.
I did.
It'll be quicker. Boom.
So,
Boom.
guys, I'm gonna do this. I don't know, 20 times. I think it's 4 sausage per pack, or 5 per pack. So we'll be right back after I finish. Okay. Now we've finished cutting up our chicken sausage, and we're going to go ahead and fry that up in a pan. So follow me on over to the stove. Spray it with Pam or any kind of spray.
That's a non-stick pan. Will be fine. You want just the pure juices in the meat. So just put it on medium heat.
Okay. Do I let the pan heat first?
Doesn't matter. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. You don't put olive in. Well, go for it. We put a lot of sauce in that pan. So you have to just stir it a bit. You gotta make sure you cover that pan so you get some convection going.
You don't even know what convection is. You don't even know how to properly use the term convection.
That's not a big word, honey.
No. What does closing the lid does not mean you're convection.
Exactly what it means.
No.
It's exactly what it means.
So let that.
I'm basically making a Dutch oven. You can Google it.
You see it? You see it?
Perfectly.
You see it? You see it? Okay. 16 cups of milk. I'm using a 2 cup. So I need to do this 8 times. So this is basically a half a gallon of milk.
Yep.
So 2, 4. No. Is a whole gallon? It's a whole gallon. 6. No.
Oh, maybe you're right. Yeah.
It's a whole gallon.
I just put a whole gallon in.
That was 8.
I might be making too many grits.
What are you doing?
No, go ahead.
That was 8 right there.
Yeah.
How many cups are in a gallon? How many ounces are in a gallon?
128.
There's 128 ounces in a gallon. 8 cups
Divide
in
by
an
8.
ounce. Yeah, so divide by 8, 148, 6, 16 cups. You don't use a gallon of milk when you make your grits.
I'm making lots of grits.
We're not making lots of grits right now.
About 2.
Brian.
Let's just make lots of grits. I got lots of sausage.
Put the
whole gallon. Put the whole gallon.
You put half a gallon, babe.
We're just going to switch this to a bigger pot.
But we don't have enough meat.
I have way more than enough meat. You know that.
See what I mean?
What?
It's always.
Yes.
What?
Just put the whole gallon in. I got a bigger pot.
I promise. I don't even think we have enough grits for a gallon.
I have enough grits. See that? That's karma. Perfect.
So we need a bigger pot.
Possibly a bigger pot. Okay.
Okay, I got a bigger pot, and I think he's messing up his grits recipe.
I'm not messing up the recipe.
Okay, go ahead.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, this is a trough of grits.
Yeah, I'm going to eat shrimp and grits for the week.
Okay.
I'm on a shrimp and grits diet.
All right, so what do we do now?
So what you're going to do now, mix the yellow and the white grits together in the other cup.
What do you want? How many cups of this?
Even. So we need 4. We need 4. Just put 1, 1, 1, 1. We'll be fine.
I'll just grab half a cup. Half a cup of yellow. So I'll mix them. Half a cup of white. And I need 4 cups of these.
Yes, ma'am.
And just put them in repeatedly. Because normally when I make my grits, I stir and put the grits in so it won't be lumpy.
I stir too.
I can't.
If you speed up, you can. The water's not bubbling yet. Just pour it in and you'll be fine. Pour it in a circular motion. In a circular motion. Nice.
We'll speed this up.
I don't think that was an even cup.
That was an even cup.
But the funny thing is, you could just use the scoop.
You wanted me to mix it. What are you talking about?
I'm saying, it doesn't
you said
matter.
Mix it up.
Oh, we can do one scoop, one scoop.
Alright, I'll do one scoop, one scoop. Folks, don't try this at home.
Boom. And now we start to stir it.
I need a big spoon.
Now you're stirring in. Now this is going to be the process. This is going to take a little bit of work. You're going to stir, and then we got to slice the cheese. Could have pre-sliced the cheese, but that's fine.
So maybe we should turn the camera off. You slice the cheese while I stir.
This is cooking with Keri. You want to get in that pot?
Chef Keri in the pot.
You can't even see your face, honey. So
I'm saying, Chef Keri in the pot.
they can just see the pot.
They see that Keri's stirring the pot. Chef Keri in the pot. Stuff Keri ain't got nothing on Veri Keri. Okay, so now what do? This doesn't look like enough cheese for all of this.
Trust me, it is.
But just put it in.
Yes. Stir it in a little bit. Your lack of trust is kind of disturbing.
I didn't say I don't trust you. Just never watch you do this. You kick me out of the kitchen as if you have some special ingredients.
But you've eaten it before.
It's good.
Oh, stop.
Very good.
Stir.
So let's focus in on turkey. Chicken.
Oh, yeah, keep stirring that up a bit.
Oh, it smells so good.
You're gonna mix it around. I like my meat a little char on it. Starting to bubble up a bit, starting to boil. It's time to add in
The backyard Cajun. Is it Cajun or just Southern?
Southern
style seasoning. How much do I add of this?
3 smidges.
Oh my gosh, here we go to smidges again. I'm just gonna dump some in there.
We want to overpower it, but keep going. There's not enough. That's good. That's stop. Because remember, the spices are going to come from that sausage, and the shrimp is already seasoned.
So we're checking in on our chicken. You see, that's how we want it to look. Charred like that.
A little char, not burnt.
Ooh. Alrighty. Gonna stir with this.
Oh, I like that. 2-hand action.
Woo!
That's why I married you.
Brian, stop! Stop, why you married me? Tell them why you really married me. Why are we together for 23 years? Why did you really marry me? What's the secret sauce to 23-year marriage / courtship, dating? I don't know. How long have we been married?
16, 15.
Okay, but we've been together for what, like 23?
Mm-hmm.
Why you stay with me so long?
I'm tired.
Tired of what? So now I'm going to start to dump the sausage into the grits. Maybe I should stir it.
You can stir that in. That's fine. I'm going to stop recording. I think they get it. And we'll pick it back up.
So when it gets to about this thickness, this creamy thickness, we're going to take it off the heat and let it rest for a bit, right?
And add the shrimp.
And add the shrimp. Do we add the shrimp now or
After we move the heat.
after we take it off the heat?
Move it off the heat. Throw the shrimp in. So all that Cavendish sauce can help season it.
Okay. Am I in the frame?
Oh, you want your whole face?
No, not me. Hey.
Alright.
Just what I'm doing.
Yes.
Oh, I'm left-handed, so okay. Can you see that now?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try to do it this way.
You just dump that whole bottle in because there's some juice. I want the juice to drip in there too.
It smells so good. This is called. Put the camera on. See my face?
I see your
See
face.
me? See me? See me? So this will last our family for an entire week. And this is what we call batch cooking, so you don't have to cook more than once a week. Forgot one important spice, our Creole seasoning. So we're going to add that to the mix.
Couple smidges.
And it's going to give it a kick. This is kind of spicy. Is that enough?
A little more. It's a lot of grits. That's good. It's got a little kick already with the Cajun sausage. Oh yeah.
And you just keep seasoning to taste to make it the way you like it, but this is how we like it.
This is looking wonderful.
So here is the final product. And look how creamy those grits are. And what you want to do is just taste it and season it to taste till you get it to your liking. But now we want to taste test it. So I'm going to head over here. I've plated up a couple of them for myself and my husband. And
I don't got my plate.
just gotta wait. Just gonna taste it. It tastes so good. The gallon of milk was correct. I doubted you. But
And that is the secret to a happy marriage.
that's the secret to the happy marriage.
The 3 C's.
Okay. And now all this
Caring,
is
communication, Crown Royale.
really. Can you see me? What do you see?
Are you doing the thing?
Oh, no problem. Okay. So all this back here is just for YouTube. What we actually do is batch cook, and most people individual meal prep, we family meal prep. So each one of these containers will have our food in it for the family for the week, and we'll just take one container and each person will scoop and go. So that's what I'm going to do now, is just fill this pot with individual family-sized servings of shrimp and grits. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to check out yesterday's video where the hubby teaches me how to make his world famous mac and cheese. And until next time, I will keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.